Friends, first of all, let me show you one screenshot. You see, this was my Payoneer account previously. You see, USD balance, Euro balance and GBP balance all are blocked. This was my account and all the accounts were blocked. And without knowing, I don't know why I created this Payoneer account in the year 2019, which was not really needed for me. But today, I am in need of this account, and when I opened my account I saw that all the accounts are blocked. But the good news is that you see today's like 2026 and this is my fresh Payoneer account and there is no problem with the account. So basically I want to tell that my account was blocked, all my USD accounts were blocked, and currently I have resolved the issue and now my Payoneer account is working absolutely fine. So how did I do this? In this video I'm going to tell you this. I'm very sorry that I did not record how did I manage to get my Payoneer account back, but I will tell you everything how did I do it. Okay, first of all, this account, you see, it was on 13th of January that I have taken this screenshot and all the USD account are blocked. And today, as I said, the date is like 23rd of January. Okay. And right now, my account is absolutely fine. So what is the first thing that I do? I contacted the customer support of Payoneer. You can just click here. Once you click here, you will find this customer support center, right? So you just click here and talk to them. And I also talked to them. And what is the advice they gave me? They asked me to close this account, the previous account. So I went here, I went to profile settings, and once I am in the profile settings, I scroll down till the end. Okay. And here is the option, you can just delete your account, close your account. So I successfully closed my old account, and then I freshly activated, or I activated my new Payoneer account, remember, with the same mobile number and with the same email ID, which was advised to me by one of the executive from Payoneer itself. And this way, when I created my new Payoneer account, the problem that I was having, that all my USD account was blocked. This was the problem that I was having previously. Okay, all my USD account, Euro account and my GBP account was blocked. So I closed my old Payoneer account and I activated, or you can say I sign up my new Payoneer account, which has no problem right now. Using the same process, first of all, you need to close the old Payoneer account and reactivate or recreate or new sign up in your Payoneer. You can also get your USD account blocked resolved. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.